Alright, what's up everyone? So today we just made 5k trading ES before 10:30. Very easy. We got a 1 to 4 today too. So I'll show you the recap, the stats and all that. If you guys are enjoying the video, remember to subscribe and let's start. So Tuesday 27, yesterday was market closed. We had news at 10. It didn't affect the market that much, but we still had news at 10, so we had to be careful. So let me show you guys the stats first. If you guys didn't see the setup, I posted a short, so you guys should go check it out so you guys can see my exact trade. So yeah, 1k across all 5. Very easy. Performance right there. So last week when market was choppy, we lost Monday, break even, lost Wednesday, then started trading ES, banked on Thursday, and then Friday we had an L, but we still ended up the week in profit, $200 in profit. So across all 5, it's why am I being slow? 200. Okay, 1k. So we ended up 1k across all accounts. Now, yesterday market closed. Today we made 1k. So we're looking good so far for this week, right? That's already 2 winning days. So I need 3 more, but it doesn't matter because when I want to request a payout, I want to request full. So 5k across 5k on each account, right? So yeah, that's looking good. Let's start today. So recap. Let's go on Wanda, not Wanda, on ES. So like always, I marked the Asia high, the Asia low, the London low, and the London high. Then I looked for any gaps, fair value gaps. I seen this one right there on the 4 hour, right? Go to the 1 hour, adjust it, so right there. Then I seen this one right there. Go to the 30-minute, adjust everything, so this would slide there, and this would stay here. So let's go on the 5-minute. Market open, so 9:30, doesn't matter, we're just waiting. 9:35, we fill in this gap perfectly, but I never ended up getting a pullback, so I didn't get a trade. If I was to get a pullback, this could have been a massive, nice trade, right? Initially, I was always aiming for a 1, 2, 3, right? But I was looking for London high, so that's why I was aiming for right there. So my trade was right there. That's a 1, 2, 3 right there. I was aiming all the way to London high, so a 1 to 5. But then I see it, I'm looking at it, and it's just not going anywhere. So I just ended up closing at a 1 to 4, as you guys seen in the short. Anyway, so we didn't get a pullback. I was waiting. 9:40, nothing. Then 9:45, we closed above the London low, right? So from there, this is a confirmation by itself. I'm just waiting for a pullback. I got it, and I entered right there. 1 to 3. All right. I was looking all the way to London. So before London, we had news at 10, right there. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, maybe it's rejecting off the gap that I marked, right? So I gave it a little bit of time, but we ended up just breaking through it. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna keep holding until London high. Doesn't matter, regardless, we got our 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 today. And yeah. So like I said, normally what we do, we need 2 wicks, right? So this confirmation and then another one to enter, right? But this being, it broke London high. I don't know how we can call it, break of the zone that I marked, I guess. So from there we just wait for a pullback. We're in. And yeah, that was our trade right there. 1 to 4. Very easy. 1K across all 5 accounts. Let's go check NQ today, how it did, just for the fun of it. I think NQ was better today, in a sense of money, but doesn't matter. I backtested ES this whole weekend, so we had Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, we had 3 days off, backtested ES a lot, went back to April, March, January, February, all the way to January on Top Step X, all the way back to May. And honestly, the strategy is perfect and the win rate should be perfect too. So yeah. Alright, everything's looking good. Let's go on the 4 hour. 1 hour. There's no wick here. Okay, perfect. 8, 9. Go on the 30-minute. Adjust everything. Like we see here, there's no wick, so there's nothing to adjust. 5-minute. Okay, and Nasdaq was way cleaner. That's okay. Doesn't matter. 9:30 it doesn't matter. 9:30 I don't count it, right? So it doesn't matter. 9:35 perfect, rejection, pullback, we're in. And 1 to 3 easily before even 10. Then we had news at 10, so boom, we close above this, so this doesn't matter anymore. So from there I'm looking for, I already got my 1 to 3, but I can aim all the way to London. That's a 5.65, and it did it, right? Very clean. Yeah. One contract on NQ is 500. Let me make sure. $500, so say 5.4. If we were trading NQ today, we could have made 13K, right? But regardless, I'm liking ES way more, because when market was choppy last week, ES was giving me more opportunities, right? So it's way better, and I'll just stick with ES, it doesn't matter. I mean, at the end of the day, they both move in the same direction, right? It's just a preference. I find that ES is way cleaner, and that's it. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, ES never ended up taking London highs. So yeah, this was the recap for today, and yeah, soon we'll get our big payout, very soon. So if you guys want to check this out, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.